See that foldaway in there? The family used to own that. And nope, it's not back from the dead. Hello, this is Royal Fan 103, and today I'll be showcasing my Hoover TurboPOWER 3100. So, a little backstory behind this. So, as you seen, that video was from 2009, and when I was really young, my mom used to have this foldaway. She threw it out because it was too loud for me, and the bin wouldn't stay on, even though it could have been something like this going on with the Hoover. And yeah, so this is I got this from a friend a while ago, and he was willing to give it to me because I was looking for these, and this was one of my dream machines when my vacuum collecting really ramped up. I think around the late 2010s, 2019, around that era, and this pretty much just became a dream machine, especially after learning that my family used to own one of these and becoming obsessed with these years ago. And this thing does need a new filter. Well, I don't have any good lighting. You see that? That's a crack in the filter, which for now, maybe after this video, I'll have to get a new filter for this thing. And maybe clean out the motor. The motor seems to be running fine. But yeah. Also, when the friend first received this thing, the filter was filthy, and as typical with these units, the filter chamber would get caked with dirt, and it wouldn't be a good situation. So yeah, got it all wiped down for this video, and this is the standard 13-inch model. There was a 15-inch model for this, a wide path TurboPOWER, and this just seems to be the regular TurboPOWER. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and well, I think last year I got this, and I cleaned it up, and well, it's been serving me well. So, let's review the features. So, we have our clear stretch hose. I had to wash this out a few times because my family thought this gave everyone a norovirus, because I started throwing up shortly after I got this thing and ran it, and it's no longer causing us any problems, so yeah. Also, when I first acquired this, there was also these hard things that were lodged in here near this carrying handle area, and I may end up stripping it down to the motor to get any of them out and maybe inspect the motor to see if it's okay. And yeah, so let's continue on. Here, we have our upholstery tool, dusting brush, well, crevice tool, and extension wand. My family still has the attachments from our old foldaway, so I'll have to scout for those, and if I find them, I'll put them on here, so this could be a complete unit, as it didn't really come with any attachments. And this is from my family's old foldaway. The other attachments are from the friend. Also, a little update on this friend. We parted ways a long time ago, and I don't like to talk about it. So, yeah. This one is... Oh, if I could get that... This one is a model U5167-900, and this one seems to be, this one is from February 2005. So a few months before my Empower, and yeah. This one, as the name suggests, has a fold-down handle. And it can fold down to save space. I kept it in the folded down position for a little bit before folding the handle back up, and this thing is spring loaded so it stays in place. And here's the on switch. This unit was made in Mexico, I believe. Tell me in the comment section if you saw anything referencing China or Mexico. And yeah, so let's get cleaning. I just started. I also installed an LED bulb in here. Let's see. As you can see, I didn't run it for very long, mainly due to the fact that it tends to smell. I need to, maybe I need to replace some filters and clean out that little filter up there. Maybe get a new one. Hopefully I can find a new one at a thrift store, because a lot of they sell those the filters for these over at Goodwill, Habitat for Humanity, St. Vincent de Paul. That's the places where I've seen them, but I don't know when the next one is gonna pop up, because I've seen the last time I seen one was, I think, years ago, and I really need a new motor for this thing. I definitely need to try and get rid of that smell. And yeah. So here's one last look of it. And yeah. So this was my Hoover TurboPOWER 3100 foldaway, and I'll see you in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Bye.